Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: enums with specific values to the constants in Java programming. So first of all, we'll understand what are enums in Java programming. So the concept of enums was introduced in Java in the version Java 5 or JDK 1.5. So what is the use of this enum? So using this concept, it allows us to create user defined data types. So enum is a user defined data type with, for example, months: Jan, Feb, March, April, May, so on till December. So in general, constants in Java are represented in block letters. And these constants in enum are by default static constants and final constants. So static means we can access them directly with class name, and final means we cannot modify them in the program. And technically, enums are also known as enumerated data types. Okay, and enums can be defined inside a class or outside a class in Java program. So now coming to syntax, how to create a enum with our own values to the enum constants. So for example, enum months. So January 10, February 20, March 30, April 40, May 50, so on, November 110, December 120. So these are user defined values. Right. So in this case, we have to perform one extra task. So that extra task is we have to use a constructor in an enum and a data member or variable to initialize these specific values to the enum constants. So we'll do that in the program. So along with the specific values, enum also has indexes 0 to n minus 1. So January is 0 and December is 11. So here 10, 20, 30 are own values to the constants and indexes are separate. So we can access all these values, okay, index, okay, all the enum constants, Jan, Feb, so on, using values method, and using ordinal method we can access enum indexes. Right, so we will also see how to access specific values also. Right, so let us demonstrate this with a small program. Enums example 4 dot. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments: program to demo enums with specific values to the constants apart from indexes. So class enums example 4 and then followed by main method. So save this program in your working directory. So let us define an enum months inside our class. So Jan 10, Feb 20, so on, December 120. Right. So enum is beginning here, enum is ending here. Now inside this enum, we are taking one data member int value, which is private data member, and then we are taking one constructor, months constructor, and for this months constructor we are passing value as parameter, and this value is initialized to the current value which is getting access from this value. So when you do all these values, specific values which are assigned to the enum constants, are initialized to 10, 20, 30, so on till 120 respectively. And this is done automatically by JVM with this constructor and this value data member. Right, so let us come to the main method. So first we'll take months. Right, so months variable is equals to months.jan. So let us print it will print jan. Ordinal, it will print the index 0. Value, it will print our user defined specific value, which is 10. So save this program. Next, come to the command prompt. Go to your working directory and then compile the program. So javac enums example 4. Right. So let us compile this. Okay, enums example 4 dot java. No error, and then run it. Fine. So jan 0 is the index which we got it through ordinal method, and then 10 is the specified value, user defined value for that jan constant in enum months. We got it through value. So value is a private data member, and this private data member is initialized in the constructor months automatically when this enum is created by JVM. Right. So similarly, we'll access all the values of the enum using values method. So we are so one value from January to December will be assigned to empty, and then in the body of the for loop, for each loop, print empty. It will print jan. So jan dot ordinal index is 0. We are putting this in circle parenthesis as a string, plus one more circle parenthesis as a string, empty dot value. So value is a private data member inside the enum. So save this, come to the command prompt, recompile and run. So jan index is 0, our specified value to the constant is 10. So on, December is 11 index, 120 is our specified value. Right. So we can also define this enum outside the class also. So when we are defining this enum outside the class, in such scenario, we have to take this as public data member and public constructor. Try enum out, okay, outside its scope. So in that situation, we have to take it as private as public. So this is how enum with specific values to the constants are done in Java programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.